Danby ice and easy won't start, power light flashing.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. Are there cubes stuck in the mold that cannot be dumped? Unplug it for an hour and see what happens.
There is no ice because it won't start. It was unplugged and still won't stop blinking.
Okay, do you hear any noise at all, like clicking or buzzing?
No noise. If I push the ice cube selector button, the light on the panel gets brighter, but nothing happens.
What happens if you press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds?
So, is that it? I'm not sure if you are finished with this or not. Please advise. Thank you.
I was waiting for an answer from you. What happens if you hold the power button for 5 seconds?
Nothing happens. I thought I responded, but perhaps it didn't go through.
Sorry about that, it must not have. I suspect you have a control issue then, because that should reset it. Try holding each button for 5 seconds and see if it changes the behavior at all.
I pressed both buttons for 5 seconds. When I press the power button for 5 seconds, the light dims after about 5 seconds, but nothing else happens.
Okay, I believe the control is faulty, especially with the light dimming. That is indicative of a shorted board component. I doubt you will be able to locate any parts for that, as it is made overseas and is not really a serviceable product, especially electronic parts. You may have luck contacting Danby at the contact information below. Click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.